Hi, what's going on, guys? This is Sadiq back again with another video. This video is specifically for finding products on Amazon. It's a research product for Amazon FBA customers, people who want to start with Amazon FBA. So in this quick tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to find a winning product for Amazon FBA. I'll give you my strategies to find a really good product on Amazon. So first you need to get Jungle Scout. It's the best application, web app, and Google Chrome extension for finding products. I really like Amazon Jungle Scout. I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys want to get the Amazon Jungle Scout extension. I have the Pro, which costs you around $49, so you will get discount if you get with my link down. Okay, so first we need to know, you guys need to know how much you want to invest in resourcing your product. So there's three types. If you guys starting out and you guys have a budget $1,000, so there's gonna be strategy that I'm gonna teach you how to find products for $1,000. If you guys are a bit more like $5,000 to $50,000 initial investment for finding the winning product. So let's assume that you guys want to start with $1,000. First, you guys need to choose the categories, which those are the categories. I personally choose home and kitchen, and kitchen dining, and also industrials. I don't do electronics because it could break. I don't choose computer and accessory as well. I don't choose clothing because there's a bit more like they don't allow you and you need to sign stuff. I don't also use beauty and personal care. Still, they need, Amazon will ask you more questions about them. Other movies, I don't choose them. So pretty much I choose home and kitchen, I choose baby, I choose industrial, I choose office, I choose patio, bed, sport and outdoors, toys. Those the thing that I choose. Also, it depends as well how much they have. So basically, if you choose baby, you need to have at least around 5,000, $3,000. Okay, if you guys want, because there's more competitive competitors there in that niche, so you need to have a bigger budget to start with that. Also, if you guys want the best, personally, that I choose for starters, I choose home and kitchen, and I choose um, kitchen and dining. Those two that I choose if I have $1,000 investment. All right, so first let's start with the guys, people who want to start with $1,000, which is these home and kitchen and kitchen and dining. Okay, let's go to the filters. Filters are the most important things to choose from. Okay, for the budget that you guys want to start, which is $1,000, I choose FBA. I don't choose FBM. I don't choose Amazon because you cannot compete with the initial investment that you have. Okay, and if you guys have, and also I choose standards because this is the standard of the oversized. Actually, you cannot do anything because you will pay for shipping and it's gonna be oversized, so it's gonna be hard for you. You might lose, like you don't make profit. Okay, that's for the step one. All right, and as we said, FBA for non-standard. And the price that I choose, usually gurus, they teach you like you guys need to start with 15 and those kind of money. So because you cannot start with 15, and if you have like $1,000, you need to start like 19, because you cannot afford the, if you guys go with less like $12 and $10, you're gonna pay for Amazon fees. You're gonna pay for, which the minimum Amazon fee is $2, and they also pay for the commissions, and that's gonna be another money. So you guys need to find a product that is cheap, and then you guys, so you can get profit from that. Okay, so I usually choose from $19, and I choose to 49 to 50 to 60. Okay, if you guys have more budget, you guys can choose to more you guys can increase. For the reviews, this is the most important thing to check. Reviews, if you guys have $1,000, you guys need to choose the minimum review, which is 10. All right, that's what the basic. Okay, and if you guys have like around $1,000, you guys need to choose the max around 120. That's the max. Okay, if we don't if we show like no reviews, then that's gonna be like hard for you. Okay, so ratings, I keep it 3.1 so that I check the bad reviews, and then so that I can fix what's wrong with the product. All right, weight, you guys need to choose like less weight, because still it's gonna be like the shipping gonna be a bit more. All right, sellers, for this I choose one. See, it says minimum seller, I choose it one on one. All right, okay, let's go for the net. I don't do anything with the net. I keep it 0. And if you guys are new to the Amazon, don't go with don't say anything about sales. Like, if you guys want to do the sales stuff, go when you go big, like when you get to know Amazon and those kind of stuff. But if you guys are new, then go with the revenue. All right, okay, like if you guys have $1,000, don't go for 10,000, because you guys don't have much money to invest, so that why would you go for a bigger revenue? All right, $1,000, then you guys have to go with around 3,000, $3,000, $2,000 minimum. Okay, per month. This is revenue per month. All right, okay. Then keywords, if you guys have specific thing to choose, like if you guys want like bedding sheets, kitchen stuff, then go with keywords. But if you guys don't have anything in mind, then leave the keywords. Okay, let's go. Let's do search. So now the Jungle Squad will do research about the results. Once it finds out find the result, then you guys need to choose the products that you guys want from there. All right, or some more thing that I want to include, um, like if you guys want to you need to choose first the market that you guys want. I usually do America, USA, but if you guys live in different country, then go with a different country like Europe, India. Let's say India has a big market, so it's too competitive there. Italy, Mexico, United Kingdom, those that you can choose from. All right, also one more thing that I want to say, if you guys also want to choose what is, like, if you guys have a niche in mind that you want to check those niche, the competition in that niche, you guys go with Niche Hunter. If you guys like want me to do a video specifically for niche hunters, I'll do video for that. Niche Hunter is really good uh, feature in Jungle Squad, so I'll do a video if you guys make a like and subscribe. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do whatever you guys want. Comment your suggestions, so I could keep up with making new videos. Okay, now the results came out. Total results 200. And also you guys need to think about that the lesser result you get, the better. All right, so you guys need to be specific about the filters that you guys want to do. All right, so lesser results, better. Okay, now we have around 260 results, so we will choose from those results the better. Like this one says bed sheets, price 57, 13 reviews, 2.8. So once you click that, first thing you want to do is check those reviews. The bad thing is that customers, the reviews that they do, check them out, see what you can make like different stuff about this, like add things, make it the better quality, those kind of stuff, right? So the first one that we choose is this one. So it says not available, right? So maybe it's out of stock or something, but it's been making good money, around $3,000 per month. Okay, also you guys need to know that there's Jungle Squad Pro extension. My Jungle Squad, it's actually premium, so I get the extension with the web app, right? So if you guys want to go with only extension, you guys also can buy that. And if you guys want the bundle, both of them, you guys can get, I think it's around $100 or something per month, $80 something. So yeah, so these the results that came out from the product that we've been looking for. So this product, it doesn't do anything much, no revenue, 300, all right, because I think it's out of stock, so it's been doing good the last week or something. It's a bed sheet. Okay, so yeah, we will go with the review. Check these reviews. It says there's no reviews. It's been saying here there's 13 reviews. All right. Okay, let's skip that, the first one. We'll go with the second one. So this one says family code decor wall sticker. All right, so you guys also can do one thing, which is go with the click on the review so that it can show from top to bottom or bottom to top, whatever it is, and that's how you do. All right, so also I've been let's check this one. Okay, yeah, so this one, it has really good sales, 13,000 per month, and it's FBA. Reviews are 21, good, not bad. Rank is 6,000. Okay. Yeah, so basically it's cost $20. Okay, so my favorite, if you guys want to know from where I get my supplies, I get them from Alibaba. All right, I buy from Alibaba. I first do my due diligence and resources and collect all the resources that I need, and then I go to Alibaba and then I check the suppliers. All right, once I satisfy with them, and then I go with the product, right? So for this product, it has really good about the bullet. Okay, let's go with the reviews. There's 29% 1 star, so this product needs so many things to be changed. So horrible, fake, as fake can be too small for first of these. Okay, so you guys need to check those. So put those bad reviews in your mind and then try to do something, like try to change those. If you guys also can do bundle up, like bundle products with other products so that you can get a value for that product. All right, this one says non-slip, it's going to completely false. This one, okay, so you guys first need to check the reviews, and once you check the reviews, like put them in your mind and then write them somewhere, and then and then I suggest you guys do what is it called, go with the Excel or something, those Word or Excel, and then write everything that you've been doing so that you put so many results together and then go with the best thing. All right, you guys need to go with all of these, check everything, and then once you check them, then go with the product that you guys want. All right, that's been it, guys. So if you guys like the video, it's been a short video. So if you guys want another video about Amazon research, Amazon product, finding winning products, and those kind of stuff, like the video. If you guys also want me to do a video about Niche Hunter, also like video, comment that you guys guys interested for the Niche Hunter. And yeah, if you guys also want the Jungle Squad, it's gonna be in the description. You guys will get 30% off, I guess so, yeah, so in the description. All right, okay, that's been it. See you guys in the next video.